morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys all had a great long weekend. Welcome back to another wild week in the stock market here. We are in for a little bit of an interesting week. Those of you guys that were reading the newsletter, there's a couple of things that I'm going to be looking for this week. We have a couple of our already open positions just cooking again in the pre-market, guys. Swing King strikes again. So, hope you guys all had a great long weekend. Happy Memorial Day. I'm now a boomer like the rest of you guys. Now I'm 25. Now I feel old. But, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of day again. Make sure you guys are saying good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me as well, I'd love to receive some good mornings. If you guys are new to the stream, let me know. I would love to welcome you guys to the group over here. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot spreading these streams out to some more people. We're going to have another great week, team. You guys know and have seen the performance this month. We're just going to continue stacking it up and making sure that we're taking those super, super high quality setups because that is our only job in the market. But let's get after it this week. There are a couple of tickers that I'm looking for. You guys know the deal with the announcement that this is going to be that last week of those of these public streams every single day, and that it's moving to just for you guys in those courses there. So we also have, I believe, GME announced the conclusion of their offering. They diluted a bunch and then the stock goes up. So very interesting development there in the meme world as well. So let's see. Whoa, look at all of you guys in here this morning. We got Samuel, Angel, Daily, Taylor, A-Rock, Michael, Dr. Bob, Starsky, Vito, Cody, Daniel, Tommy, Wreck-It Ralph again, Jackie, Gabby, David, Alfie, Daniel, Jim, Cole, Nick, Ben, Eddie, the builder, Francisco. Good morning, everybody. As always, team, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out spreading these streams out to some more people. We are going to have a boatload of videos coming out for you guys soon. You like Onan and MATX. Let's take a look at those. So this was one that I was looking at last week. Wait, did I miss this? Because I gave this one to you guys too. Why do I not have Onan? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Why do I not have this? Because I was interested in this. Oh, I think I know what happened. It was because I just took the Zim and Aspen. That's what it was. So Zim's up another 4% this morning here. Great entry so far. Want to see what happens with this. Aspen looking decent in the pre-market. Really solid entry there. Up 1.4% in the pre-market. Then what was the other one? MATX. That was another one I gave you guys. I don't know where it is. Yeah, so I don't actually have this, but this was the trade that I was looking for on MATX there. And then, yeah, so A-Rock said you found NEE on Friday, so you were hyped when you saw that on the Swing Kings list. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm going to be looking at that one. Zim and Aspen pre-market, those are looking real good. Zim's looking good. Aspen was actually up a little more. I think I saw this at like 30-30 at some point in the pre-market. Again, could just be a little pre-market nonsense. We'll see what happens with that. We're about to make some bread on Aspen and Zim. Amen. Alfie, I know you're risk-free on those now. I might, depending on what happens with Aspen today, I might go risk-free on that one. Zim, I'll probably still let cook. What else did I do? Friday, when the market started going vertical, I didn't really like, it just didn't make a whole lot of sense for what the market was doing and why it was doing what it was doing. So I trimmed a little bit of that fun Facebook trade for this week. Facebook's down a little in the pre-market, so I'm happy I did that. So we'll end up seeing what happens with those. Have I looked at ARM? Alfie, I have looked at ARM, and I do like ARM. I have alerts on ARM right here. So this is one that I actually haven't been able to get right yet. But when you do, I mean, the moves can be absolutely gargantuan with this thing. So, I'm still obviously hunting it. You got some tickers? Keep sending them my way. Keep sending them MPC, ADUS. See, and this is what I love to see. Those of you guys in Swing Cakes coming in here on the first trading day of the week, coming in, sending tickers. Oh, I love it. I love it. ADUS. Let's see. Oh, I like this one. Another healthcare stock. Not my. All right. I mean, you do some share trades on it. I like that. Cool. I like that a lot. MPC. We could take a look at this. Oil. Huh. I actually don't hate. Oh, Marathon. I don't hate this, actually. I mean, I'll throw like a random alert on it, but yeah, I don't hate that at all. That's a decent one. SMTC. I feel like I've looked at this. Yeah, this one's not bad. It's not my favorite. I like some of the other ones a little more. Bank of America. I believe some of you guys are already in this one. I don't know where you got it, but I have heard some of you guys being in this. So the other thing we got to talk about, dollars down. So the dollar's been taking a little bit of a hit here. USD JPY has started to roll over a little bit too. Not much, but a little bit. Yeah, crowd took off. So yeah, this was one from the Swing Kings list. Already took off, has earnings coming up. I don't think I'm gonna play that 5-minute opening range break on this today. So we'll see. Cole went through 1,300 tickers this weekend. Dude, Cole's 18 or 19, man. Like having these skills this young, dude, by the time you're my age, buddy, you are going to be an absolute monster. I mean, it's not going to take you very long, especially doing what we do here, but wow, this has been awesome to see. All right, let's keep it going. What else do we have coming through the news feed here? I don't think anything crazy. No, I don't see. NASDAQ has re-enabled routing to members exchange. Yeah, something's going on with the NASDAQ feeds this morning. That's going to be interesting to see what they do with that. They were having some weird data issues. So we will see. Zim's looking good. I'd love to see Aspen just get going. If we can hit some of these TPs this week on Aspen and Zim, those are going to be pretty big. BMO, I think that already broke, didn't it, on Friday? Didn't we already look at this? Yeah, this one already broke. So that's fine. I mean, some of you guys are already in this. That's kind of right at where the entry is. So you'd be sitting right around break even there going into today. STLD. Nah, I don't really like this one. T1 data update's likely going to be an issue this week. Oh, yeah. Is this week when they go T1? I like T1, especially if you're trading a lot more shares. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Checking the watch list with baby in arms. Caesar. There you go. AMC doing its thing. Yeah, I think I saw some messages from you guys that it was setting up. I mean, kinda. Ooh, you can hear I had a weekend. I had a pretty wild weekend, team. But yeah, I mean, it is setting up a little bit here. It's trying to break. I don't think I'm going to trade it, but we'll see. I know GME's having a fun morning, up 26% there. That's pretty ridiculous. CCJ, yeah, the uranium tickers I like. It's not this one. I like Quad U, I think, a little bit better. I did look at some of the uranium tickers. They just need a little more time. That's why they're not on the list. So we'll see what happens with this. I am a fan of some of these uranium names. I just need to see a little bit more out of this in order to get me really interested. Got in about 2 weeks. Oh, there you go. There you go. All right, AER. Not bad, not the worst. Not going to put any alerts on this one, but yeah, I do like this one. Zim, I mean, what do I need to get to? 24.36? I don't think that's going to happen today. It'd be great if it did. Aspen chilling at 30 in the pre-market, only up 1%. I mean, that's a big day yesterday. That's clean right there. So we got to see what happens with this. Wasn't this past weekend your birthday weekend? Yeah, well, my birthday was yesterday. I didn't do a whole lot yesterday. Yesterday was sit around and do a whole lot of nothing. NEE, that's another one from the list. This one I like. I have some alerts on this one, so we'll see what happens with NEE. Remember, this is the one that I couldn't get right back down in here. So it is what it is. I just missed it, but this thing went on an absolute tear. Also, you still have, I feel like a lot of your expirations are done, but look at TXN. Guys, look at TSN from Swing Kings like 2-3 weeks ago. This thing after I gave this to you guys here on the 179 break, this thing is now at 206. So again, I mean, we haven't talked about it today. We'll talk about it at some point, but Friday is going to be the last day for you guys to be able to get the 50% off deal to All My Education. It is, I mean, I don't even have to say it like this anymore. It's the best trading education you guys are going to see. Like everybody in here calling out takers, printing money. It's absolutely nuts. And the performance that you guys have been having is pretty nuts. You guys have seen mine too. I don't know. In the pre-market, I think I'm up like 35% this month. Yeah, 35 and a half. It's ridiculous. Last month was over 20. We're going to try to do it again in June. NTRA, that's a name that I haven't heard in a while. What's going on with this? I don't hate it. It's just a lot of healthcare stocks, guys. And you know how I feel about like trading those. And ENVX breaking out. Dude, I should have just bought it off the 10. I don't know what I was doing. I was asleep at the wheel there. Completely asleep at the wheel on that one. What is this? Oh, that's MFC. MFC. This looks good. Guys, there are a lot of tickers that look good. Like, there are a lot of tickers that look pretty good. The only thing you got to worry about is, I mean, with the dollar lower here, I'm a bit weirded out that this market's not having a little bit more of a positive reaction. But you are going to be probably trapped in this range a little. Until we get a new round of data, remember, I've been telling you guys, the market's been moving in waves. Until we start to see that next wave of data come out in shifting rate cut expectations around a little bit, that's when the market's going to make its next big move. But looking at the dollar right here, dollar's been coming down pretty significantly. ELF, No, Nick, don't spam. Don't spam. But I can look at them. Elf, no. FSLR, no. No. What are we doing here? Come on. You guys all know the setup. You're looking for stocks that are about to explode before they do, not after they do. Come on. Come on. And that's what I teach you guys how to do. It's very, very, very simple. Oil holding the market down. Where's CL? Yeah. Oil could be screwing around with it a little here, being that green in the morning. It also could be off the dollar, though. Like dollar coming down like that, that could easily start pumping up oil prices a little bit. So, crowd, data dog. Ooh, hold on. Nah, I don't really like this one. Crowd, I do. I mean, this was one that I gave you. I'm probably not going to touch this one. This is already running in the pre-market here. Is there a way to set your long positions charts up for options on trading? You have been able to find. What do you mean, Bray? What do you mean? The thing with options, and this is something I talk about a whole lot with you guys in there, is you're not going to know for sure what the prices of your options are going to be at any given point in time after you enter the trade. Just because you're fighting time. So, but that's all covered exactly how to do it. And when you guys see me hitting those 500, 1,000% gains, there's a very specific reason as to why I get I buy my strikes at very, very specific levels that are going to coincide with what the chart looks like. BRCC. And now a word from our sponsor. All right. It's not actually a sponsor. It's just a joke. I've heard a bunch and I like it. Yeah, I like that. BRCC, I'd play. I'll throw an alert on it. You think Elf and FSLR will continue to rally? It's too late. There's no reason to buy those. Where's the risk? Wait, like, and that's the thing, and this is what you guys always have to realize is when you're looking at charts like this, the reason why you would this is where you would have bought it right here. If you wanna understand exactly like how I do things, this day right here is where you would have bought it. And this is not even like a oh look at hindsight. I do this a lot. You guys see like me take these types of trades a lot. I mean, what are some of the ones that we've had recently? Like PDD was a really good one. These have been absolutely nasty. But yeah, that's what I like to look for. And also Vantage Point, don't know who that is. If it's a research firm, don't care. Analyst, like because where's the risk going to be? With these, your risk is very, very clearly defined. You have really, really solid risk to reward. At that point, you're just chasing. You can only buy individual shares with the green buying long short, not buying options. Does that make sense? Yeah, you can't buy options on TradingView, and you unless your broker is connected to your TradingView account, you also can't buy anything on TradingView either. I don't buy anything on TradingView. I just have the trades set up, like the drawing, the like risk to reward tool. I just have that set up so that you guys can see what the trade looks like. Like on my brokerage accounts, that's just what it look like. That's where my stops are, and my take profits are. But on your broker break, I'm not sure what it is, but in order to trade options, you're going to need to apply for level 2 options. That's what you're going to need. Ben. First of all, two things. I know you made a bunch of money on PDD. Now we're getting some more information that you got a tattoo on your bum. Now I know that the first round of PDD trades, you made $14,000. Now I don't know. I don't have tattoos, so I don't really know how much they cost. But I would highly doubt that for a tattoo in that region, it's going to cost $14,000. So I don't know, man. Like that's pretty interesting. But yeah, I mean, you guys all in the live chat now, you guys know the deal. I like my whole thing and everything that we do around here is finding stocks that are about to explode before they do. Very, very good at it, as you guys have seen. And again, if you do, and Nick, this is nothing against you. If you do bring up charts like ELF and FSLR, I'm just gonna say no because it's not worth taking a look at them. TW, it's okay. It's not the best. SYK, Striker. What's up with Striker? Yeah, a little too much noise on a couple of these. I mean, we need them to tighten up a little bit. That's why I like Zim so much, and Aspen I actually like a lot more than Zim. These are a little bit weird though, so we'll see how those end up playing out. AMD needs a few days. Yeah, it does. It does. AMD does need a few days. ARM looks good. Hold on. We don't want this on the daily. We want this on the 15 minute. How much time we got? What? 16 minutes to go until open. We're 9 likes away from 50. Thank you. It's always chart setup. I love not caring too much about the extra noise. The method works. Thank you, STV. No problem, Ben. That's what you're thinking as well. Too much noise. Yeah, it is too much noise. So I think, I mean, I'll probably carry the, like, you guys know. I mean, I'm just taking the highest quality setups that are just screaming at me to take them. That's why I'm up so much this month, in the last month, in this year. Like, very, very, very simple if you guys know what you're doing and know what to look for. So we'll see what happens here. This could be a fun one. Crowd. I mean, this one was looking real good. And then, it's just gapping on us. It also has earnings coming up. That's the reason I'm not going to be looking for the 5-minute opening range break, because I haven't looked at the premiums yet. But in order to get next week, they're just going to try and steal. They're going to move a little bit weird. You're going to be fighting time a little bit too much. So unless this thing really breaks and gets a nasty, nasty, nasty pre-earnings run up, it's going to be really hard, I think, to make money on that one. So, I mean, if we were to be able to get the break, it would have been fun, but nah, not now. HY, is that Hershey's? No, what is that? Is this a minor? Oh, Colt, dude. Do I know of any other charts that might rally like Alpha or FSLR? Yeah, literally everything that I put on the Swing Kings watch list for you guys has the ability to do it. Any ticker that you guys hear me say, oh, I like that, it looks good, has the ability to explode. This one I like a lot. Lift trucks. All right, I'll keep this one on the radar. Good morning, SUV and the team. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, everybody. So, yeah, this one looking great in the pre-market here. Aspen, I mean, this thing needs a little bit more help. It's still green, so we'll see what happens with this. SG. Is that sweet green? Yeah. Ooh, little post-earnings move. Oh, post-earnings move, MK. I like that. Yeah, that could be a good one. I mean, this will need a couple more days. There's still a little bit of noise here. But yeah, PEG, same space as NAE, utilities. Yeah, this one's going. I want to, it's not revenge, but I do want to get a little revenge on NAE. So we'll see. We'll see. I think this is all time. Oh, no, this has got some room. Because I was trying to get this one down here. It just, I couldn't get it right with where the risk was, where things started to look like they wanted to go. So, I mean, this thing right around this area, I mean, you go 63 to 76. That's a pretty dirty move. Happy birthday, dude. David, thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm 25 now. I feel like an elderly person, especially after what I did this weekend. Oh, dear. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Just kidding. All right, I got to adjust the camera quick. Starting to get a little bright in here. Give me 2 seconds. All right. Yeah, it was a long weekend, guys. It was a long weekend. Started on Thursday, went through Sunday. I mean, I can't be doing that anymore. We need less 3-day weekends. I mean, it was a fun time, very fun time, but whoo, the gods have punished me for my indulgences. So we will see. Groupon. I think didn't we talk about this one last week? We highlighted this. Yeah, I have alerts on this. So if this fires off, I'll be ready. VITL still running the eggs. Yeah. Oh, dude, this thing has been a monster. You have nailed this one. Actually, where's Yin this morning? Is Yin coming back up? A little bit, nothing crazy. I mean, I'm long Yin off of like down in here. So having fun with that one still. I mean, Aspen had a ripper of a day on Friday. So did Zim. So Zim's already up 4% in the pre-market here. I want to see what this thing can do once the market starts to get going in either direction today. I don't think we have that much data. I think we have Fed speakers, but nothing crazy on the data today. Consumer confidence at 10. That'll be interesting. We got Neil Kashkari coming in at 9:55. The king flip-flopper over here. Pod says, new people, last week to get in. Don't miss the money train. Pod, I've been trying to tell him, man. I've been trying to tell him. So, again, team, we can talk about it now. We're probably going to talk about it throughout the stream, but for this coming Friday is the last day to get the 50% off deal to all my education. Oh, I haven't pinned it yet. All right, there it is. Now it's pinned. So you get the day trading mastery course with like 15, 16 winning months in a row, day trading strategy. You've got, what do you call it? Yeah, then you get Swing Kings, where I'm just handing you guys on a silver platter stocks that are about to explode every single week before they do. Then also what we're going to do is these streams after Friday are no longer going to be public. They're going to be twice a week for those of you guys in the courses. So I have more time to make content for everybody and do all the other things that I have to do on a day-to-day basis. And then there was one other thing. Oh yeah. Also, after Friday, you can't just hop into the educational courses. It's going to be waitlist only. So you guys have what's today? Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah. So you guys have basically 4 days left to hop in. Yeah. I mean, you missed the train. You missed the train. We're going to keep doing what we're doing, just printing absolutely stupid money in the market, just finding stocks that are about to explode before they do, and then taking that less trades, more profits methodology into it on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to trade the options on it, MK. I mean, I've been trading a lot more shares, and you guys have seen how fun that's been. Vic's getting 5 years older than you now. Alfie, you got another youngin in here. I know. I was trying not to miss a lot of your guys's. Oh yeah, and this is the other thing too. The reason why we're going waitlist only is because so many of you guys have been coming in, and taking advantage of this education here, and just honestly, absolutely crushing it. But I always say to each and every one of you guys that when you do hop in, I'm always available to answer your guys' questions. So with the vast amount of people that have been coming in, again, I got to make sure that every single one of you guys that hops in needs to understand and have the ability to ask me questions and have access to me. So again, I don't really, if I wanted to make more money, I would just say, hey, come in at any time. No, it's going to be waitlist only. Going to make sure that every one of you guys is up to speed, making sure that, hey, Aspen, where you going? Understands everything that you need to in order to have that long-term success. ITRI, what's that? It looks good too, actually. That's probably more of a week. We'll see. Stout, good morning, buddy. How you doing? All right. So, I mean, before open, I'm sitting up like what, 0.8% so far today? Not bad. SPY? I don't know. ES is screwing around doing nothing. ES screwing around doing a whole lot of nothing here in the pre-market so far after this giant death candle at 6:15 this morning. Zim still looked great, man. Aspen got a little whacked there. That's interesting. Could just be pre-market nonsense, though. Who knows? CACI? I love the fact that you guys are calling these tickers so much now. I love it. Yeah, dude. Guys, Alfie. Like Alfie, the fact that like when I was telling you last week, I was like, please go in and watch so that we can get you up to speed on what we're looking for. The quality of the tickers that you are coming out with is just awesome. What am I holding right now in pre-market? The Facebook, which I'm probably just gonna ditch. What else? Zim and Aspen. Those are the three. So we'll see what happens. Zim looking really good. These are up 4%. You have 250 stocks on your watch list for this week. Alfie, you don't have to create watch lists, buddy. You went through 3,000 tickers. I love that. I just set alerts. I don't I don't create watch lists. I just set alerts, and when they hit, it just makes the most god awful sound on my computer, and then it's like, all right, go look at it. JWN, Nordstrom. Don't they have earnings? I think they have earnings. That's not it. Hold on. I thought they had earnings coming up Thursday. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch this. It looks good though. I mean, it looks decent going into earnings, but you never know what's gonna happen when they release. You lose track of them all. You don't. Well, Alfie, if you have an alert pop off, you're going to know what you're looking for. Like if it hits an alert, I mean, you're probably going to be looking to enter. 4. Wayne coming in with the tickers too. This one needs a little bit more time. AFL. Let's take a look. Aflac. All right. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Not one that I want to put alerts on yet, but I don't hate that one. You miss them at work. Oh yeah, that's fair. But think about it. If it's on a watch list, you're not going to see it. SATS. That's okay. You like Spotify? I don't. A little too much noise. Even, I mean, Zim and Aspen had a little bit of noise on there too, but we got to see what's going to happen. Yeah, there goes Aspen back up. You have alerts too, don't worry. Good. Yeah, always be setting your alerts, guys. Like if I like something, I always have alerts. I still have to go back in and delete all the Webull alerts because I haven't used those in forever. I like it on TradingView because it makes like the horrendous sound. Like I could be in the other room and it goes ding, and I hear it. It's great. Fray. Let's take a look. Nah. CVLT. I like this one. Didn't I give you guys one like this? It's like a weird one. I have alerts on it. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, I know what it is. It's one of the ones from IWM. Crowd. Yeah, I did give you guys Crowd this weekend. The problem is, look, I mean, it's gapping. It's going to flash around in the pre-market, but I don't think I'm going to touch this just because it has earnings coming up. If we were to actually get the clean break on it, I probably would have flipped it for this week. Just like take a like 0.5% risk on it and then just let it rip for this week. But now that it's already moved and it has earnings next week, they're going to jack the premiums up a little bit. I'm not the biggest fan of that. So the TradingView alert noise sounds like a big hit off an aluminum bat. It kind of does. NEE and ARM seem to be the top ones that you're hunting today. Yeah, I mean, we'll see if I really want to take anything else today. I mean, Zim is looking great. We got to see what happens with Aspen. And then, I mean, I do have the Facebook. It's so small now after I scaled out. It doesn't look bad, though. I mean, maybe I'll hold this. Maybe I'll end up holding this. I like this. I mean, it wasn't the best setup in the world, but I did like it. I mean, I was scaling out over 100% on Friday. Like when you guys saw those screenshots on Twitter, I was like, here it goes again. Like at this point, guys, I'm trying to show you guys like what happens and how I manage losing trades. Like they're not happening. So I try. I mean, last week though, I did have that 1% red day on Thursday, and then I bounced back on Friday. I made back way more than all any of those tiny losses were. Beyond, yeah. Nah, I don't like this one. RCL, I know a lot of you guys have done dirt. Yeah, this looks good. I like that. Cassie, you been in that one? That's not bad. Healthy, dude. SLV's ripping? Oh, are we going to get another golden set? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. We'll look at Car. Where's gold? Gold doing it too. This gold trade was dirty. That 250% gold trade 2 weeks ago was disgusting. I wish I held it. I mean, it was weeklies. I flipped weeklies on it. Car. I like it. I mean, again, a little bit too much noise. Dude, Silt, that's weird. Oh, here's activist Elliott takes a $2.5 billion stake in Texas Instruments. Again, that's why TXN is ripping up this morning. If you guys had ended up trading the shares on TXN from when I gave this to you, this has literally been nothing but straight up. So again, when I say you got to find stocks that are about to explode before they do, what you guys will realize, one, it's a lot easier than you think it is. But all of these stocks, or let's not say all, but the vast majority of these stocks that make giant moves look the exact same before they do it. PEG. Utilities. Yeah, well, remember, this is another utilities one. If I'm going to take one, I'm going to go with NEE. Look at TMUS. Is anybody still in the TXN? Because that's nasty. This one I'm not the biggest fan of. Oh, here comes Zim. All right. Zim up 4.3% in the pre-market here, team. Damn. There we go. BN. Let's take a look. I like that. T-Mus had news on a takeover. Interesting. You sold your remainders too soon on TXN. That was a good one. It's hard with options though, because like if you're up like a boatload, which I know all of you guys were, it's hard to keep holding those, especially if you're coming close to expiration, because if it starts to go against you a little bit and you're still not in the money, those premiums are going to get whacked. So with shares though, it's a lot easier to hold them. That's why when you guys see me trade the shares and I hit TPs, I just leave the trade. I'm like, here you go. The only thing that I managed recently, and it was my top tick on Koru. If you guys remember this trade here, so I entered here, got my, and that was a net, like, so the high, all right, it's not exactly a top tick, but it's very close. I ended up selling my Koru, most of it at 9. Was trying to hunt up here at 10. All right, ding, ding, ding. And then on this gap down, I ditched it. So Aspen opening up at 30. We got Zim screwing around. Whoa, that thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chuck, thanks, buddy. Oh, of course I remember you, dude. Thank you for the super. Hey, SCB, I don't know if you remember me, but you gave a rant that led you to getting a 30% boost in pay at work. Had to stop, but we're back. Happy to see you here, Chuck. Love that, buddy. Congratulations there, bud. All right, let's see what we got. Market screwing around. Where's Facebook? All right, my Zim's looking good. Oh, I got a lot of alerts coming off. MP, oh, Marathon's going. That I actually don't hate. It's just a little early. I mean, we can do a little 5-minute opening range break on it. Yeah, you just never know when the floor drops out from under you with options. Yeah. Chuck, thank you for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. But yeah, you guys, again, you don't have to send me supers. You guys all have access to that 50% off deal to all my education. That ends Friday. So if you guys aren't in there by Friday, the only way that you're going to be able to get in there is waitlist only, and these streams aren't going to be public anymore. All right, Aspen, good. Zim, doing good. I want to see, actually, Aspen's not doing good. I want to see this thing get above 30 and get some steam. Zim ripping. Zim is ripping right now. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. All right, hold on. Something just happened with Facebook. Hold on. Something just happened with Facebook. Yeah. My contract just ripped. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, guys. We're doing it again. Dude, I'm up 10% in 2 days. Arm took off. Did I miss an arm alert? Facebook crossed. Arm hasn't broken yet. Facebook, yep. What are these up now? 45%. My Zims are cranking. Aspen's down. Aspen coming down. That's no fun. Aspen getting whacked here a little bit. Zim on a ripper. So 42.52 is the next spot that I'm going to be ditching Facebook, and it looks like it's coming right now. Here we go. Up 124% on Zim. A-Rock, there you go. Yeah, Aspen getting whacked. Zim doing its thing. So, what is... All right, arm craw. All right, what is... Things are going crazy today. Yeah, there goes arm. Did things just get whacked? Aspen whacked. Facebook whacked. What the heck was that? Arm. What do I want? Could get aggressive with it. It's still early, though. It's still early. That's a break. This one I've been struggling to get right. Spreads are kind of icky. I don't have it yet. Carvana needs my prayers. We'll take a look at that in a second. I don't know what happened to Facebook here, but it was looking good and then looked terrible. Zim got whacked. I don't know. All right. So this went from great to terrible. Aspen now coming back up. Market doing it. This is a volatile open, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. All right. That just dropped $1. So I didn't take this yet. Still up 30% on the Facebooks. Huh. I'm gonna let this one be. I'm gonna let arm be for a little bit. All right. Facebook moving back up. If we end up hitting what 482.50 today, I mean that's where I'm gonna scale out again. Timas. It's just a little slow grind. Making your funeral plans for Carvana. Uh-oh. All right. Zim and Aspen just got killed. That's no fun. Where's Facebook, though? Screwing around. All right. Let's see. Yeah. No entry on the arm yet. That's a volatile open. Remember, though, we're going to be getting Kashkari in about 20 minutes, so that's going to be interesting. So the shippers and what else is getting whacked at open? Aspen. It's flat. Texas Roadhouse looking for an all-time high breakout. Ooh, we can take a look at that. Yeah, it's just not that's not what we need to see on it. That's just not it yet. Facebook can't do it. Zim, day low. This is holding on for now. Chuck, no, I haven't been over there in like what? 8 months, I think. 8 months. Moving down, Facebook down. I don't hate this. I just it's like 5 minutes into a new week. I don't want to be going crazy. Zim is getting killed. That's no fun. It's still up today. See what happens. Let's see. Aspen, if this can get over 30, that'd be nice. I don't think it's trading right now. It's just been pinned at 29.62. eBay, we can take a look at. No, don't want that one. Don't want that one. VTS. You already got the range break. Oh, it's volume of 10,000. Yeah, no, I'm not going near that. Sorry. We start buying that thing. It's good. No, I can't be screwed around with that thing. DraftKings getting whacked. Yeah, I think that's earnings, isn't it? No, something came out about this. I don't know exactly what it was, but something came out about DraftKings. All right, Facebook's probably getting killed now too. No, it's holding on. It's holding on. Come on, what's up, computer? Thank you. But yeah, you guys have until the end of the week to get that 50% off deal to All My Education, the day trading mastery course, the like 16 winning months in a row. The Swing Kings course, teaching you guys how to find stocks that are about to explode before they do, and I hand them to you on a silver platter every single week. I mean, I'm probably up what, like 34% this month? Yeah, 34.28% this month. Last month was over 20, not risking more than 1 to 2% a trade. You guys see everybody in here printing. Time's running out. All right. Zim whacked. Aspen moving back up, though. That's decent to see. Market not having any fun. Yeah, I don't want the arm yet. Where are the other semis? AMD, nothing. What else are we looking at? What happened with Pfizer? Oh, Pfizer killed. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Crowd just died. What the hell happened with this? That's weird. That thing got a nice move and then just got hammered off the open. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, I'm staying away from this one. This one looked good. Then it had the gap. Then it has earnings coming up. Like, yeah, there's no need to be going anywhere near that. All right. Aspen trying to get back to 30 here. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Zim just pushing lows there. Facebook's not doing it. Palantir melting down. The birthday wish might come through. Oh, dude, thank God. Where is it? Oh, it just needs a break here. If this thing can get a break of 2062, it's just going to go. Whoop. Sold your Zim. Good win. Good win on Zim. Yeah, I mean, I'm still holding the shares. There's no reason for me to be out of this yet. It's still up 2% on the day. Like, I might go break even at some point on it. Like, if it pushes back through these highs, but I don't know. We'll just let it rip. 20 minutes until consumer confidence. Yeah, and then Kashkari is going to be coming on 5 minutes before BRCC hit. BRCC just broke, pushing too. That I actually would take. That I actually would be interested in. Hold on. Oh, I like this. Hold on. I'd do some math. Huh. I don't hate that. I mean, now it would look like this. Well, if I could get it here. Fuck. They're screwing with me. Let's see if I can get this. I actually like that. There is some gap risk with this. That's the issue. There is some gap risk with it. That's the problem I'll have. Hold on, I'm gonna do the math one more time. Oh shit. Hold on. All right. See what happens there. All right. Zim and Aspen screwing around. Yeah. All right. Hold on. Where's Facebook? I need like $3 on it to scale out again. And then where's ARM? It's getting there. All right, let's see. ARM back up. Yeah, it did go little. I think I might ditch the Facebook and just take it where it is and just be done with it and then focus on the other ones. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because I had already scaled out. Yeah. All right, let's see what happens. BRCC options. Look, I'm not taking options on it. I would not trade the options on that one. If I have the ability to just trade the shares, I'll take the shares trade over the options trade almost any day. ARM is going here though. I don't hate that. A little spready. Let's see if they hit that. All right. NEE finally in the game. It's getting there. Hasn't done anything crazy yet. These two. These are still looking fine. This one, if this starts breaking, I mean, I'll throw another alert on this thing right here just in case, but we got to see what happens with this. Yeah, I would not trade the options on BRCC. Where is BRCC right now? Just chilling at 601. Oh no, that's a nice break. Let's see. So yeah, Daily Taylor, that's still good. They're not all gonna go nuts, but every single one is gonna have the ability to do it. Let's see. Maintained by. I don't know. Let's see. I don't even have any limits on this yet. I got to do that. at some point. I mean, I don't think I'm really going to need to do anything on that right now, so we'll see. Target broke too. Target, I don't really want. No. Target looks no. We would not go anywhere near that. All right, ES moving down, bringing kind of a lot of things down with it, except for ARM. What the? Oh, they just wrecked it there on ARM. All right. Zim getting sold off aggressively. They're coming for it today. Okay. ASPN, how's this doing? They're coming for Aspen too. Oh, let's see. It was up 250% last Wednesday. Yeah, that was a good one. Oh, here it comes. Let's see. Let's see. Aspen's holding. BRCC's holding. Let's see. What happened here? I didn't even see anything come through the feed. Oh, there might be something. Nah, something Saudi, but it's not anything crazy. BRCC back up. There you go. Zim's still up one. Aspen's getting whacked. That's fine. Still up nicely on that one. Could take a few days for these to really start playing out. If they're going to. I mean, I still could be wrong. Does it matter? No. Good setups. You just got to see where they want to go. There goes ARM getting hit. That's no fun. Peg is breaking out. Are the utilities going? Yeah, NEE is pushing. Peg. Oh, yeah, there goes Peg. Oh, that's right at the highs, too. That's an interesting one. Huh. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to take that. But it looks good. What else? Where's BRCC? Oh. That one's going. That one's getting a little spicy. It's flashing around, but it's getting a little spicy. 5.3 billion of 3 and 6 month auction. That's all I saw for the news. Interesting. HD got bought up hard. No, guys, we're not. No, that one doesn't make any sense. Aspen. Ouchie. We'll see what happens with this. Again, the beautiful thing about share trade is if this thing starts moving back up, the position is worth the exact same. You don't have to worry about time. That's one of the reasons I like the share trades a lot. Let's see. ES screwing around. We got 12 minutes until consumer confidence and then ITRI. I don't hate that. T we looked at last week. T is still getting there. Whoa. Aspen, hold on. The hell happened there? You see that? All of a sudden, they just start going a little. All right, let's see what happens here. Those were some buy orders. Jeez, is that showing up on the volume here? Little bit. Still trapped a little bit below that 10. ARM is trying to move back up a little. Where's BRCC? 605. 5.3 billion. Yeah, I saw the TXN stuff. I mean, all right, ARM. I want to see what happens here. Velo? What's that? That I like. Oil. Valero. That could be fun. A-Rock, that one could be real fun. Zim. I mean, this thing was up 5% and then just more and then just got whacked. Aspen, though, that them buying that up just now, I mean, it's going to move around like crazy, but that's an interesting one. NATL. Hold on. I want to put an alert on Valero. The problem is it's just day high. ARM coming up for new highs. What was the other one? NATL. Nah, I don't like that. ING or AMC got rugged. Oh, that's to be expected. No, I don't want this one. Let's see what happened with AMC. Oh, I mean, that is kind of setting up there. I actually wouldn't be opposed to taking something on it. I just don't really want to. But yeah, that thing just got rugged. Zim getting hit. Aspen starting to move back up. Where's the BRCC? 604, just chilling. ARM getting a little jumpy here. Little bit, nothing crazy, but we'll see what happens with this. If this thing can break this high, like today or tomorrow, 118.55, that one could get a little interesting. I am so aggressively dehydrated after this weekend. It's not even funny. If they turn and set this loose, that'd be interesting. Zim tried a little, but nothing crazy. What do we got? All right. These all look kind of good. Consumer confidence at 10. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. If that auction, well, we have Kashkari in 3 minutes. Like when those comments start hitting, he's been relatively hawkish recently. So you got to watch out for him. But then he'll come out and say things like people will react negatively to his negative comments, but they won't react positively to his positive comments. Pepe, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Zim's trying to eat it a little, but nothing crazy. Aspen needs to get back above 30. That would be fun on that one. BRCC, that's a new one. I wish I'd caught this one earlier. It still looks good, though. Kashkar is the boogeyman? I don't know if he's the boogeyman. He's just saying things. Market getting knifed. Let's see. This thing might have some juice. We'll see, but it looks like it could start. It looks like it could start getting some juice here. It really needs that 118.50 break. Pay safe setup. Isn't that pay X? Is that what that is? Pay X? Or is that paychecks? What's pay safe? Is it just pay? No, I don't know. All right, let's see. And again, team, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys keep smacking that like button on the way in. And remember, when these streams are no longer going to be, what do you call it, public for everybody after this Friday, remember, I'm going to be posting a lot of videos on this channel here. So make sure you guys have notifications turned on. Market not liking much here. Rivian? I've been hunting it. It's just been a little noisy. Yeah, I do like it. DraftKings is not slow down. Yeah, what was the news on them? I think Jag said something. News, yes. Illinois Senate approves progressive sports betting tax hike. That's what that is. It's a sports betting tax hike. Where's BRCC? That's chilling. Zim, new lows. Let's see. Yeah, Illinois taxes. All right, let's see. This is a pretty dirty set of candles here. Arm. There. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There goes arm. There goes arm. 118.50. Let's see. Those contracts are up 11%. Let's see. Something else just happened. Hold on. Something else just happened. BRCC popped a little. There you go. Really, Zim? I don't, dude. That's a what? Yeah, arm just crossed. There we go. Arm pumping. That's what we like to see. Yeah, up about 20% on that new position. The BRCC is looking good. The Zim, I mean, it's not pissing me off. I'm not a fan of this. Aspen, that's fine. You can have a little red day after being up what, 7.5%. This could be fun. So I'm gonna set an alert up here on this beast. Oh, Kashkari comment. Did the market hate it? A little bit. Yeah, that was good. I don't think anyone has taken rate increases off the table, dude. Yes, they have. Kashkari, pretty sure they have actually done that. I'm no expert, but literally everybody has said that they think that the next. See, this is what my issue is with Kashkari right now. He just like check PM. That was one I highlighted for you guys in VIX Insights a little while ago. I can look at it, but what's up with Philip Morris? The Zin shortage has been crazy. What is he saying? Like that's what you can't hike rates right now. I don't think. I mean, and Kashkari should know this. If they were to go raise rates right now, they would do some like severe damage. The problem is that they should. This is the issue that we're running right now is that the United States government needs rates to be a little bit lower in order for them to roll over a lot of this debt and to basically continue uh, the deficit spending that they need in order to keep the dollar. I think we talked a little bit about this in the last VIX Insights research report, the Triffin's dilemma. But when you look at a lot of these things, you cannot like there's a difference between the reality of the situation and what's actually probably going to come next versus what should happen. And that's what these people seem to not understand. So my arms are up like 15%. My BRCCs are green. Everything's green. I mean, the only thing that is slightly red for me today is Aspen. Even Zim is like still green. It's getting whacked though. Let's see. So with things moving back down, I mean, I'm still slightly green, but it's basically flat. I'm just letting things cook. Can't they lower rates and refinance the debt and then raise the rates? No, because nobody's gonna buy it. That's the issue. I don't know. Arm's off to a hot start here, so we got to see if this thing can get these nice clean breaks over 118.50, hold 118, see what happens with the market. It's coming down. We'll see. Market's not having any fun. 2 minutes until consumer confidence as well. Let's see. Why the hell? Oh. Groupon looks good. I just can't take all of them. You know, I can't take every single trade. I can take most of them. I can't take all of them though. This thing. You're Aspen and Zim, you're being disappointments to your bloodlines today. You started off so hot and are now just getting whacked. It's all right. We're still nicely green, huh? This could be nasty. I mean, ooh, what's this? AMD grabs 33% of server CPU market and prepares for major processor launch. Ooh, Amanda. That would be fun. So, I don't know. I'm up like, things are just whipping around here. I'm up like 0.2% here. Nothing crazy. A little more now. I don't know. Let's see what happens. My arms just popped. Yeah. 24% on my arms right now. That's good. That could be 1,000%er. The way I've set that up, the way it's moving, that one could end up being a nice little big 1,000%er. If it wants to go. I don't know if it's gonna. It could. BRCC flashing around. Oh, hold on. Consumer confidence is out. Hold up. What do we got? 102 versus 96 estimate. Oh, shit. That's a big miss. I mean, to the upside, that's not really what the market needs to see. Aspen down, Zim down. Arm kind of trying to hold, but that's probably going to lose 118 there if this market starts knifing like this. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, that consumer confidence data was hot. BRCC, Zim, nothing. This could be fun. Don't you know, pump it up. Dude, Aspen is just like, look at this. This thing went up to here, came back down, flashing around. We'll see what happens with this. Tell. I like that. I like the look of that. Arm down, Zim down. Nah. Let's see. The market doesn't like stupid people who are running out of money. Sort of. Let's see. Zim just lost 21. That's not good. They're whacking this thing, dude. Where's gold and silver right now? Are those things still going? Gold sold off. SLV. SLV sold off too. All right, let's see. Ooh, they bought that a little. Let's see. Here comes arm. Push it. Yeah, this thing's gonna move like a wild child. Like you have to be careful with this one. It's gonna be fun though. It's gonna be a fun one. I mean, these are up 29% right now already. 30, 32. All right, they're pumping a little. Come on, arm. Come on, arm. You gonna let me get a nice one on this one? That'd be fun. Oh, here she goes a little. Dixie ripped. Did it? Oh, there goes NEE. Fuck, am I not gonna be able to take this? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hi, Aspen. NEE. Yeah, it hit the first alert, which was right here. All right, my arms are up 43%. All right, those are looking good. I want to see what happens here, and then yeah, I'm up like I don't know, 0.75% on the day, just letting things cook, seeing where things want to go. Nice and relaxed trading, guys. Everybody likes to come in here and try and scalp 1-minute candles. You trade the bigger time frames, you're gonna have a lot more success. You have until the end of the week to get the 50% off deal. Aspen popped a little. Would be hilarious if they ate this whole candle up today. GH getting the love it deserves. Good. I'm happy for them over there on that one. Garden. Yeah, good for them. BRCC. What's this doing? Oh, there we go. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, dude, arm pumping. There we go. There we go. 57, 58% on those right now. Those are looking really good. What happened to Zim? They're being mean to it today, man. It's looking nice, and then all of a sudden, but the arm is pumping. So 63% on those. Aspen got whacked. Zim got whacked. So we'll see. I'm still in it. I don't even have the break-even stops on it yet. If they want to come and stop me out on that thing, by all means, go ahead and do it. I haven't been stopped out fully on a trade all month. Like, if they want to come get me, that's fine. Do what you got to do, market. All right, 120. Next stop on ARM. Netflix setting up again. Round 2 on little Netflix here. Ooh, I'd be interesting. Did I cut my meta? Yeah. Yeah. Where is it? Yeah, so I had scaled out of that at they were over 100% on Friday. Sold a little bit, and then when they came back down to like break even today, I just ditched the rest of them. I want to see like Aspen or Zim get going. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What? Why is TBT moving up? That would mean 10-year up. Uh-oh. Yeah, A-Rock, I mean, you were up over 100% on those. That was a good one. Yeah, I mean, I'm up basically 1% on the day here. 0.9, 0.95. It's just flashing. My arms are up 66%. My Aspen shares are still up 3. My Zims were up 4. But at one point, my Zim shares today were up over 10%. So I think LYV will drop to 85 by the end of June. I don't know, man. I mean, I'm not in the business of like. I know I can predict the future, and I say I predict the future, but like LYV, this chart is not. This trade that you guys were on this one was disgusting. MATX payday. Oh, it went. Is it going? There you go on the MATX. Ben Currington's account is up 10%. Congratulations, buddy. ARM 63%. There you go. Oh my God. Oh my God. I might be up over 100% on these. Or close. 83% on the ARMs right now. Oh man. Oh yeah. That's what I like to see, ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy. Look at us. Finding stocks that are about to explode before they do. Huh. I wonder how we do that all the time. Zim, you're kind of pissing me off. But I might make the arms free at 100%. I don't know though. We'll see. I kind of want to wait for it and nail like a big 1000%er. You know? What's up, Tyler? How you doing, man? Dude, just cranking on arm right now. Zim, I mean, it's flat on the day. It's not really making me all that upset about it, but it was up a lot. Aspen, another one that's a little red today. About 1%. I mean, that's nothing. So MATX, though, this was one from last week that we highlighted. I was not able to get this one, but we're getting good at picking the day of the move on some of these in pre-market. Oh, yes, we are. Is this pumping even more? Oh, it's getting up there. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Facebook looking good? Is it? Yeah, I mean, I ditched the rest of what I had on it. My entry was here, flipped him for 100%. Aspen trying to move back up a little. Oh my God. Look at ARM. Look at ARM, team. All right. Those are really ripping now. I'm up 1.5% on the day now. That's good. All right. Should we let the live chat decide? Should I make ARM free at 100% or should I let it rip? Let's see. Live chat, this one's up to you. They're over 100% right now. I could make them free. Now they're flickering. Team, what do we do? This one's up to you. Your Zims were over 200%. There you go. 105% on the arms. You're rich. Let it rip. Hey, man. You learned from me to make them free and then have fun with it. All right, we'll make them free. Throw in a limit order there. I think that makes them free. It should. I think it just dropped. Yeah, whatever. I got my limit order. We'll see if it hits. If it doesn't, ooh, Aspen. Hello. Come on, arm. Give me a little fill. Make it free. All right, I'm trying. I'm doing my. That should fill. All right, those just filled. The arms are free. The arms are free. We'll get a little screenshot. Nice. I'm up nice today. Damn. BRCC, little red. The Zims are coming back. The Aspen's trying to come back here too. Can I look at Jen? Yeah, I could look at Jen. I like that a lot. Again, team, you guys have until the end of the week to get that 50% off deal to all my education. I'll throw the link in the live chat here for you guys. There's not really much else to say at this point. You guys know the deal, how nasty everything is. Boom. Another gem. Thank you. Have I filled any of the stocks you sent on the watch list? You missed yesterday's live. Well, there wasn't a live stream yesterday because it was a holiday and I was aggressively hungover. But there is one that's moving. There is one that's moving, I think. NEE looking good. I don't think ARM was on the list. This was from this morning. That's not gonna fly. Hold on, I'm finding the list. I have all the alerts on them. No, I haven't taken anything from the list yet. You're signing up, Chuck. Welcome, everybody. Give a nice warm welcome to Chuck. Again, people are out here charging thousands of dollars for this type of stuff. That is not even as close to as good as what I'm giving you guys over here. So, you guys also have the ability to pay over time as well, even if the really, really low cost of what it is, and it's one-time fee. Like once you guys are in, you get access to all the streams, all the watches, everything. Those arms are printing. Oh, yeah, they are, man. The arms are really printing. Zim is moving back. Where's Aspen? Is Aspen trying to make an attempt at 30 yet or no? Yeah, it's getting there. All right, I'm up like 1.75% on the day. Oh, my arms are up. Oh, what? Oh, they were up 108%. They moved down a little there. They're just flickering a little. Zim moving back. Oh, BRCC took a little hit. Hey. That's rude. Back under 6. Yeah, even with Zim and Aspen moving down a little, I mean, the arms are just ripping. So those are free now. We're going to let those cook. Next target, 126.81 on arm. Thank you. Let's see what we get. Did the market just get killed? Maybe. I don't know. Oh. Hi. Hello. I like that. Give me that wick. Nobody clip that. Dollars ripping. Yeah, yields are coming up. That's why TBT was doing what it was doing. ARM just sold off a little bit there. Happy I made that free, though. That's a good one. Aspen, come on, buddy. You can do it. So the Aspen shares are up like 4.6%. My Zim shares are up 5.3. That's good. Yeah, so now I'm only up 75% on the free arm. We will see. What are we going to get, folks? Aspen moving back up in the positive direction here. ARM getting screwed on. See, that's why I mean, it took me a minute to really wanna take this one today. Like, it broke, it came back down, it broke again, and I was like, "You know what? The risk is there, we might as well just go for it." See, now if Zim I mean, if this gets its head out of it, you know what? That one could be real fun. Aspen, I believe I have more of, though. So if this ends up going more, I mean, that's gonna be fine as well. Well, Chuck, remember, I would send some swings in there like years ago for you guys, and you guys would be like, hold on, how did you find this? And it was all the stuff. I've been doing this forever. It's nasty. Zim pop, arm pop. All right, let's see. How are we doing now? All right, let's see. Overall look on Baba. We've already done our dirty work on Baba. We can pull it back up here. I mean, I gave you guys Baba down here. So I'm not looking at anything really on Baba right now. As a company, I think they are relatively undervalued by the market at this current time, but we can save that for VIX Insights on another one. I have a couple of like now that we're getting closer to the time where we're a little bit less streams. I'm gonna have more time to work on VIX Insights for you guys. We're gonna have a lot of single stock research reports coming up as well. I remember one day with you, my spy puts took your account from 3K to 14K. I have faith in you. Hey, man, I'll just keep showing you guys how nasty this stuff is. There comes Zim back up. Here comes Arm. We're up nice today. It was looking a little bleak for a second. I was up nice, then I was down a little, and now I'm way back green with some nice realized profits. So we're gonna see what happens. Zim trying to move back up. Aspen, if this thing can make some movement here, that'd be nice. What else? If BRCC starts coming back, I mean, if Zim and Aspen start to get their head out of there, you know what's, you know. Yeah, and Chuck, you can ask anybody else in the live chat right now how it's been in Swing Kings for you guys. I know Alfie's been here for like a week and is already drilling it. But yeah, anybody that's in there right now, let the people know your experience, what your experience has been like in these educational programs. There is so much, sorry, bullshit out there. That I know when you guys hear, oh, another thing, it's like, no, no, no. This is gonna give you guys the tools that you need for long-term success. Here comes Zim a little. Arm moving back up again. If I don't think Arm's going to do it today, but if it does, these are going to be up a lot. You want NEE, just needs to push through. NEE could be a good one. That was one that's just tough to get right. This education will set you free. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate that, buddy. Oh, here comes Arm again. Oh, look. Oh, look at us. 112%. Oh, look. Who would have thought? I've never been more confident ever. That is awesome. Doing great. Just stay away from the idea of front running. Yeah, you did have that. You remember, like, you don't see me front run very often. It's pretty rare that I'll go front running things. All right. Arms printing. I'll tweet that out. All right. Here we go. Those are up now. I mean, I saw them at 100. All right. They're probably up a lot more now. That was 117%. 121%. Nice. Nice. Making some money, team. We're doing great. If only you guys understood how freaking easy this is. Hold on one sec. Let me tweet this out. Oh, Zim, there we go. That's moving back up. Hold on. Let me tweet this quick. And then Millionaire Shorts, I will answer your question in 2 seconds there. Hold on. Hold on, I gotta make sure this is the right one. Bang, bang, boom, done. All right, and millionaire short. So here's what I do that is very different than what everybody else does. What everybody else will try to have you do is take their alerts, do all sorts of nonsense, and it doesn't help you actually gain the tools to have long-term success. What I do is every single one of you guys that comes in to the educational courses, I mean, I teach you everything from what are futures, options, the strategies, how to find stocks that are about to explode before they do, and then everything in that goes along with that. And what also comes with that is I tell each and every one of you guys that once you hop in, you have full access to me. That's why at the end of this week, when the 50% off sale ends, it's going waitlist only because like I need to make sure that every single one of you that is going to be hopping in has the ability to get the grasp of the strategy and then be a productive member for those streams that we're going to be doing. So it's not about me being like, let's just see how many people we can get in. No, every single one of you guys that comes in, I treat you guys as like it's like if once you understand it, you can't unsee it. And then you get to find things that do this. Boom. Boom. Little boom. Full access. All right, Morrow. All right, buddy. Let's do it. All right, you get lots of access. Yeah, you guys messaged me. We're good to go. Yeah, I just tweeted that out. The arm gains. Everybody in there too. If you want to go on that tweet, put your arm gains down there as well. Let everybody else know on Twitter what we do around here. So here's the link to that tweet. Where is it? I can't even do this. Yeah, I'm so tired today too. Here it is. I'm like still kind of hungover. When you get old like this, I remember when you went boom and the cannons went off during the feed. That's because I can tell the future. Just kidding. No, I can't. Just really good at finding stocks that are about to explode before they do. What am I up this month now? Did I crack 40%? I don't think I did, but it's probably close. Nah, 36.5% this month. BRCC's taking a little hit. I'm going to have to set up orders on that. I'll do that after the stream, though. Just made arm free too. Yeah, post those gains down there, team. I appreciate your explanation. Definitely going to buy the education course by the end of the week. Millionaire Shorts. We'd love to have you in there, buddy. Yeah, and then for everybody that's on the fence, you will be able to get on the wait list. But I don't know when I'm going to be opening up any new spots to that in the near future. Come on, 25. You still young? No. You guys don't get it. And when you go and try and go nuts like me on a weekend, you cannot do it anymore. It just does not work. And why is this the area that I'm targeting? It's this level. BRCC, you like NEE? I like it too. I just can't take anything else. Because sometimes, and this is another good lesson for you guys, I don't look at, I mean, I do obviously, but I don't look at total risk per trade like as kind of I look at total risk to the account. Like if everything were to go to shit, what would happen? So yeah, I could take more trades right now, but if every single one of the things that I have right now were to go down, would I be comfortable with that? Probably not. Now, I could throw some stops at break even, take some actual true risk off of the table, but that's not really what I want to do. Whoa. Arm, baby. NEE options or I don't know if the risk made sense on the NEE. The problem is sometimes when you go to take the shares, the amount that you're going to have to put of your account into the trade to get your 1% risk is going to be like 80-90% of your account. So I typically avoid doing those things mainly due to the potential for gap down risk. It's not that like I can safely full port something if I need to. Like if I really like a chart and in order to get 1% risk because it's so tight and I need to put a really significant percentage of my account into the trade, I mean, you can do it. The problem is if that thing gaps on you and it skips your stops. That's why I don't do it. But ARM absolutely pumping right now, ladies and gentlemen. 157%. So now Now I'm going to be mad at you guys because you guys told me to make it free. The stream's financial advice is terrible. You guys suck. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're killing it, man. Oh my God, I'm dehydrated. Oh dear. Oh dear. You let ARM go too early? It's absolutely skyrocketing. Wayne told me to hold. I still have a lot of it. Yeah, I'm up over 2% on the day right now. 175% on these right now. Next stop that I'll be taking some off at is 126.81. Yeah, again, if you guys got screenshots of that, go comment it on that tweet. Guys, how much more do you need to see? Look, I'm just in here relaxed. I didn't listen to you. You're right. I didn't listen to you, Wayne. I'm sorry. You're right. It's fine though. All right. I need to turn the AC on here, guys. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. Give me 2 seconds. It's getting hot. What do we got? Oh, BRCC back up. That's nice. Yeah, my arms are up over 160% right now. Wash your hands. I was turning the air conditioning on so I don't sweat. Well, I think you guys get the point. Look. Boom. Here's what I want for my birthday. I want everybody on Twitter to start telling me I'm pumping. That's what I want. Not you guys. Don't do it as a joke because then people are going to actually think that. But I want some dum-dum to come along and be like, you're just pumping. It's like, I didn't even tell you I was taking it. It has a market cap of $120 billion. We have 100 people in here right now. No. Let's see what happens with this. Zim and Aspen doing all right. BRCC bounce back up. That's nice for us. Let's see. All right. Let's see. See, Zim and Aspen. I mean, the Zim shares are still up 5%. Like, that's good. It's just, not great. If ARM does it, though, which it could, guys, I didn't think it was going to do this. We were looking for we got our break at what? 117.35. The second break that we needed was 118.50. The thing is trading in the 122s. SATS. We can take a look at that. I'm not the biggest fan. Gives us one more good one for tomorrow. Oh, yeah. If we do it on NEE tomorrow. Yeah. Oil's popping again. Where's Valero? That's not moving. What else do we need? Aspen. Oops, I did not want to do that. There we go. I want to lock that one on here. All right, let's see. Oh, look, ARM new high, or almost new highs. Look at us. Look at us. Oh, no. Oh, no. Gosh. Dirty, man. Absolutely dirty. So we'll see what we get. We'll see what we get. SLV, not the biggest fan of it. I needed to settle in and give us another setup like the one I gave you guys last time. But team, 10:30 today. I'm pretty tired still from this weekend. I think we've done some pretty good work today in the market. We'll wrap it up for today. Again, I'll throw the link in here for you guys to all get 50% off all my education. If you miss it by the end of this week, there's not much I can do for you. These streams where we're calling these things out are going to be moving privately for you guys in the courses there at the end of this week. Again, more time for me to be able to go out there, make some content for everybody. But team, awesome day. I mean, if you guys miss it, I mean, there'll be a wait list, but I mean, I'm probably not going to be opening up too many spots. So if you guys are interested, make sure you're in there by the end of the week. You'll get access to everything. So team, let's see what happens with ARM. If this thing actually does it today, I'll laugh. Aspen and Zim still going to hold those. What else? BRCC, I'm on that one, but if they want to take me out on this one, I mean, they can do whatever they want. I got to set up some orders on this one. Haven't done that yet. So team, I'll see you guys later. Another great day. Great start to the week. Have a great rest of your day, team. Peace.